everything is always about human connection and personalizing the conversation, then why should you automate your customer communication? Well, the mess, the lost tickets, working overtime, frustrated customer service reps, your customers being pushed back and forth between departments. That, my friends, will all disappear if you automate your customer communication. Let's make your life easier and get into how you can use automation to your benefit. Let's start with a statement. The path to customer service automation is similar in many companies. In most companies, customer service is a process that arose organically. It starts with a website, a contact form, and maybe one phone number. However, over time, all sorts of bottlenecks emerge. Sometimes you can only answer some phone calls or customer emails and wait days for a response. This is not because you or your team are lazy. It's simply that the volume of inquiries, concerns, and orders exceeds your capacity. That's when procedures usually come into play. You plan the proper rules and dependencies, the response time, and the recurring questions list. For a while, peace reigns. But all it takes is one mistake or one of your employees to suddenly take time off, and the chaos returns. The good news is that since you already have the procedures in place, introducing automation is relatively easy. The bad? No, there is no bad news. Only good information from now on. Let's start with what customer automation is and how it can help you. Customer service automation refers to solutions like automated workflows, chatbots, voice bots, or knowledge-based software that helps businesses improve customer service operations. It can help you deliver faster support services, minimize the risk of human error, maintain a consistent tone and voice in your brand communications, lower the cost of customer interactions, or shorten the first response time. One of the most important things about automating customer communication is knowing when to do it. This will help you find a great balance between personal connection and proactive, fast response rates. There isn't an exact answer to when you should use automation and when you should not do it. It depends on your brand, how many customer service reps you have, if they're always available to answer your customers' questions, and many other factors. However, I can tell you that if you are in a swamp full of customer requests and your agents have missed several lunch breaks, then it's most definitely time to bring in automation as a helping hand. So, here are 4 ways that you can automate your customer communication. Let's start with CRM. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and by definition, it is an approach to managing a company's interaction with current and potential future clients, and part of it is to use automation. Let's say you own a bakery that specializes in wedding cakes. You've got a database of customers who bought from you in the past, but you need to figure out how to keep them engaged and coming back for more. With CRM, you can segment your customers based on their behavior, preferences, and needs, and later on automate the communication. For example, you can segment your customers who have purchased a wedding cake from you in the past year. Then you can send them automated messages that remind them of their anniversary and offer them a discount on their next purchase. But that's not all. Let's say you also want to target customers interested in your cupcakes. You can segment those customers and message them about your new cupcake flavors or offer them a discount on their next purchase. Using CRM, you can send targeted messages that resonate with your customers and keep them engaged. Now, change cupcakes and cakes to whatever you're selling, and you should see what kind of potential we're talking about here. In short, CRM might be a powerful tool for automating customer communication, which allows you to save time, increase engagement, and build stronger relationships with your customers. But that's only the first tool that we'll talk about today. The next tool is Chatbot. A chatbot is software that simulates human-like conversations with users via text messages on chat. Its key task is to help users by providing answers to their questions. Bots can chat with multiple users simultaneously and provide information within seconds. Because of that, they are now used on a wide scale to help businesses and consumers communicate with each other on websites and mobile messaging apps. While a chatbot can be used to provide excellent customer support, it isn't the only task it can perform. Once you've set it up, it can also generate and segment leads and collect contact information, name, email, company name, and company size. It can also gather questions from users. They can be integrated into a business's website or social media platforms. So yes, with Chatbot automating your customer communication, it will feel like a summer breeze. Alright, enough about chatbots. The following tool in our journey to automated customer communication is automated email marketing. This is usually part of CRM, but it's so important that I decided to make a separate point for it. Do you know those welcome emails you get after signing up on a website, or the email you get when your package has been shipped? Of course, they're all automated. Now this is no surprise, as it saves a lot of money. So no matter what type of business you have, you most likely want to use automated email marketing. The most valuable thing about email automation is the ability to send relevant emails to the right customers at the right time. By integrating your CRM software with an email marketing tool, you can send personalized and targeted emails to customers based on their behavior or preferences, which can help improve customer engagement and make communication more efficient. Here are a few things that automated emails might include. Order confirmations, shipping confirmations, birthday greetings, abandoned cart notifications, welcome messages for new subscribers. Email automation takes away the repetitive tasks, while also helping customers learn more about your brand and also engaging with them through email, even if it was automated. For email automation, I recommend taking a look at MailChimp and Omnisend. Use automated phone systems. With automated phone systems, you won't have to worry about your team of customer service reps being always available. The automated phone answering machines use self-service and advanced automated AI to pick up a call. Most of them work by answering the incoming call, playing a pre-recorded greeting message that you can personalize, or providing a menu of options to the caller. There are two ways automated phone systems provide menu options to the caller. Interactive voice response, short for IVR, can be used to handle customer calls and provide information or support. The caller only has to interact with the automated phone system by voice. Asking the caller to input a number from the options provided, meaning the caller listens to the automated phone system and inputs one of the options available. These systems can be programmed to provide customized responses to customer inquiries. Now you know how you can automate your customer communication to improve your business's efficiency and provide better, faster support to your customers. Let us know which type of automation you choose. See you next time.